Give it a shot, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a really interesting English expression. Give it a shot. This phrase is used quite frequently in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to make your English learning journey even more exciting. Give it a shot is an informal phrase meaning to try something new or challenging. It's often used when someone is uncertain or hesitant about doing something. This phrase encourages them to attempt or make an effort, despite doubts or fears. It's similar to other expressions like, give it a go, or try it out. The phrase likely comes from the world of sports or games, where taking a shot means to attempt to score a point or goal. Over time, this concept of making an attempt in a game evolved into a more general life philosophy of trying something regardless of the outcome. 1. Encouraging a friend. Imagine your friend is nervous about a job interview. You might say, just give it a shot. You might be surprised at how well it goes. 2. Trying new experiences. If someone suggests trying sushi for the first time, you might respond, I've never had it before, but I'll give it a shot. 3. Workplace scenarios. In a meeting, if a colleague proposes a new idea, you might support it by saying, that sounds different, but let's give it a shot. When using give it a shot, remember it's best suited for informal settings. It's not typically used in formal writing or speeches. Also, don't confuse it with take a shot, which can have different meanings, including a literal reference to shooting or a metaphorical sense of criticizing someone. So, that's all about the phrase, give it a shot. I hope you found this explanation helpful and feel more confident using this expression in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't hesitate to give it a shot and use this phrase whenever you can. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.